Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh. About 200 kilometers west of Hazrat Shah Jalal International Airport. The land is rich with nature and home to an initiative the entire world should aim for. That initiative is Bold Partners. At nearly 70,000 square meters, the land can fit 10 full soccer fields. What exactly is happening here?
The first thing we do each day is harvest grass. We take the harvested grass to the dryer.
This is a large warehouse with grass densely covering the floor. And nearby, women are making something.
We manufacture toys for small animals using the elephant grass from this morning.
That's right. This factory creates pet products using the dried elephant grass they harvest each day. But it still looks like a typical factory you could find anywhere. What is so special that the world should take notice? The answer is hidden inside this shipping container.
This machine was thought up and built in-house. We produce a lot of scrap wood in our daily factory work. It would be a waste to throw all of those scraps away, so we use them as fuel. That fuel then creates heat, which warms the air inside of the container. In short, it's a hot air dryer.
An original handmade drying container. The dryer is fueled by scrap wood left over from production. When fire is added, the temperature inside reaches over 60 degrees Celsius. Raw materials are sterilized and dried at high temperatures for 24 hours.
Most companies use gas, oil, or electricity for drying facilities. But we thought those methods would be costly and harmful to the environment.
In summary, they plant and harvest raw materials on their own, process those materials into products, and ship them out. Leftover scraps are used as fuel. And what about the elephant grass stems?
Yes, these are elephant grass stems. Stems are chopped together with straw in this machine and turned into food for the cows at the factory.
Scraps are used for fuel, to feed livestock, and as fertilizer for raw materials. That's right. Bold Partners is a completely self-sufficient factory. In this way, the factory outputs natural, eco-friendly products in a sustainable way without relying on other industries. Plus, the banana tree's secret has garnered a lot of attention.
We also grow bananas. These bananas are natural and don't use any pesticides or fertilizers. We sell these as snacks for small animals.
Plus,
this looks ready to harvest.
This tree is called neem and originated in India and Southeast Asia.
For thousands of years, people in India and around here have used these branches as toothbrushes. It has a deep history. We came up with the idea of turning it into a chew stick for dogs. Dogs love nibbling on it. That's the concept behind it.
All banana and neem trees are used to process products in natural ways. The factory has been covered by local media and European companies focused on sustainability. The products Bold Partners create have sustainability standards that meet those of any developed country. However, their sustainable efforts don't stop there. In the morning, a bus carrying employees arrived at the factory gates.
We provide a free bus service to take them to work each day.
This factory is improving the local standard of living by providing employment for residents searching for jobs. Also,
This is the facility we focus on the most, the vocational training center. We need to train human resources. It takes a lot of skill to make this product, so we built this vocational training center. Here, new employees and people who live far away and want to work from home can receive training.
the company also provides training so people in distant villages can work from home. Bold Partners also serves the local community by supporting education in nearby schools.
Bangladesh, as you know, is a developing country, especially here in the countryside of Jashore. To put it bluntly, there is nothing. Therefore, the most important asset is the people. It's in our best interest to educate these people and work with them to process natural products in the area.
Mr. Islam Sawada puts the most value on the people who work for Bold Partners.
Even after I'm gone, I hope the factory will continue to produce and export high-quality products made in Bangladesh and beloved around the world for the next 10, 20, 30, 40 years. That's my hope for the future.
As you can see, Bold Partners has put together a mutually beneficial factory that makes sustainable products while enriching nature and the local community.